Lockdown can be sometimes really boring, right? Even the world's greatest lazy people will also hate such a long chain of Sundays. So, what if I say it won't be anymore? Hey TD fans, what's up? For those who don't know me, I'm Shronon Das. I'm a Kolkata-based fashion and lifestyle blogger. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of TD Fans Makeovers Insiders and more. And in today's episode, I will gonna tell you about 3 books that will really keep you hooked on during this long term of lockdown. So without any further ado, let's dig into the video. So let's start, guys. Before we start, let me tell about one thing, that all the books I have categorized in an ascending order. That means the one would be the best. So guys, at number 3, the first book which will really get you hooked up during this lockdown season is The Girl in Room Number 105 by the India's best author Chetan Bhagat. Girl in Room Number 105 is originally published in the year 2018 and it is the 8th novel and the 10th book overall written by the India's greatest author Chetan Bhagat. The book became a bestseller based on pre-arranged sales alone. It tells about a IIT coaching class tutor who goes to wish his ex-girlfriend on her birthday, and guess what? He finds her murdered. This book is a complete blend of romance, mystery, thriller and suspense. And what is the cherry on the top thing about this book? This book is completely composed with simple and lucid words. That it means it won't be of any problem for all the newbie readers out there. So guys, down at number 2, the book which will gradually turn you into a bookworm during this lockdown season, which is the international bestseller, is Lullaby by Leela Slimani. Lullaby is a 2016 novel by French author Leila Slimani. It is originally published in the year 2016 and the date is 18th August. You can read the tagline over here, the baby's date, it took only a few seconds. By the tagline you can imagine that how suspense it is. Though the ending is not that much great according to my opinion, but the inner meaning, the word, the entire book is full of deep meaning, deep words and deep emotions. So I would definitely recommend you to read this one at least one time and trust me guys, it will really make you hooked up during this lockdown season. So guys, finally now it's time for the book which is at the number 1 spot. Remember guys, this book is not at all artistic, it is really interesting, and on top of that, more than that, it is really intimate. So I would rather say to read this book under parents advisory, and it is explicit content because it contains explicit content and it is strictly for 18 plus, which is Confessions of a Private Tutor by Vikram Mathur. Confessions of a Private Tutor is originally published in the year 2013 and it is written by the famous author Vikram Mathur. The total page counts of this book is 119 and as I already mentioned, it is a total adult book. It is full of intimate words, sexual emotions of a tutor, and it is really intimate. The Confessions of a Private Tutor is a book that gives out steamy details in the life of a private tutor. The story is set up in Mumbai and gives details of a young boy who starts off to be a private tutor and eventually a hell lot more. He starts giving mathematics tuition and he turned to be a prostitute. So I would highly recommend you to read this book, but only to all the 18 plus readers. It is my earnest request, and all the guys and girls who are reading this book, I would recommend you to read under parents advisory. So that's about it guys. You can get the ebooks of these as well. It would be great if you buy these books from Flipkart or Amazon if available. And moreover, I am giving the names and links of these books in the description box below. Go check it out. Hope you guys like this video, and if you please do, then don't forget to like and subscribe, because those are the only things which gives me motivation to produce such amazing and exclusive contents for you all. And go guys, do follow me on Instagram, the Das Factor, over there as well, and share this video to everyone everyone you know, and do comment down below about what video should I make next and which book you really want to read right now. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, spread positivity and sayonara. And yes guys, I have opened a new YouTube Bengali channel, Cholo Moja Kori. If you are any Bengali guy or girl out there who is watching this video, please go and subscribe that also. I will post regular and consistent contents over there as well. So, Tata.
Oh.